Get ready, because what you're about to witness isn't just a car, it's a statement, it's an experience. This is the 2025 Mustang RTR, and it's built to deliver pure, unadulterated wow factor. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the RTR signature styling screams performance. Those iconic RTR grilles aren't just for looks, they're a hallmark of a vehicle engineered for the track, yet perfectly at home on the street. This isn't your average Mustang, this is the ultimate performance Mustang. The 2025 Ford Mustang RTR isn't just about raw power, it's about control. It's about precision. It's about that feeling of being perfectly connected to the road. Whether you're carving canyons or dominating the drag strip, the RTR delivers an unmatched driving experience. It's the best performance car in its class. Now, while the 2025 RTR is the latest and greatest, the legacy of RTR performance is timeless. And speaking of timeless, if you're looking for an incredible opportunity to own a piece of this performance heritage, you're in luck. We're going to take a closer look at a truly special find, a used 2024 Mustang RTR right here in Christchurch, New Zealand, at the renowned Team Hutchinson Ford Premium Ford dealership. And joining me to chat about this beautiful low-mileage RTR spectacular is Hamish Hamilton.
Oh, come and have a chat. Good. We've got no shortage of cars here, so yeah, colours maybe potentially is under the bonnet too.
Yeah.
So a few new changes, but I'll open the latch from here.
Nice.
It's not on these cars. It's pretty different to, I'm not sure if you ever looked at the previous model, but it's dual intake up the front, totally new cleanup, so the engine actually looks really sharp, but dual intake just means it's a lot louder, a lot more induction noise, so when you switch up those RPMs it does scream.
Right.
But yeah, this engine's been around for a wee while, since about 2014. And Ford have just basically chopped and changed it to make it as perfect as it can be.
So, what's how to get up to say 60 k's? How long?
60 miles.
Yeah.
It's probably about 4.5
seconds. That's pretty good, isn't it?
It's pretty rapid.
Yeah.
But there are options to supercharge these, which these blocks can handle.
Right.
And that takes the car up from 485 to 810 horsepower.
Ooh,
So
good grief.
So that's with a three litre Whipple.
Yeah.
It's definitely quite intense on a rear-wheel drive car, but it's like all those owners wanted to jump into that higher end of power as well.
Now that is a nice sound. I love that sound. You can't beat it, can you?
No, impressive. They never really get sick of the beat, that's for sure. It's a well-established engine by now. Very good as a cat. I think if you get around the front, you'll probably see just to get the RTR LEDs going.
Right.
So if I keep the lights on, you just look at the front there. You can see it's just got signature RTR grill lights.
Beautiful.
It looks super sharp.
Very sleek, isn't it? I'm just so impressed with what they've done with the front of it. Oh, it's just wonderful.
Yeah, the colours.
Beautiful looking wagon. Tip top shape. Still smells brand new. Low mileage. 109,000 K is what they're asking for this. Beautiful car. Great upholstery. Beautiful lines as well.
Thanks for having me. This 2024 RTR is an absolute gem. It truly embodies everything RTR stands for. Raw power, incredible handling, and that unmistakable styling. For anyone in New Zealand looking for a serious performance machine, this is a must-see.
So, whether you're dreaming of the brand new 2025 or seizing the opportunity for a fantastic pre-owned Mustang RTR in NZ, the thrill is guaranteed. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more epic car content, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure.